Hey there guys, welcome to another video. So in this video, this will just be a quick video because I'm replacing the top glass on the back of an iPhone 5. And as you can see, it's got a crack in it here and quite a bit of scratching up near the camera lens. So I wanted to go ahead and just replace that one piece. I ordered a little set and it came with the top and bottom piece of glass and it was about $4.50. So first of all, what I'm doing here is just heating up the area to loosen up the adhesive. And fortunately for me, it was already pretty loose, so it came off pretty easily. A portion of it just cracks off. And one thing you have to watch out for when you're doing this is there is a ribbon cable that's attached. And most of the time it'll be attached to the adhesive on the back of the glass, so you have to kind of cut that off so that you don't ruin that ribbon cable there. So right here I'm just basically taking the knife and cutting that. And it came off really easily, and as you can see, it took off the little piece. There's a piece for the light, and then there's a piece for the camera itself. So those pieces basically came with it, but when you buy the new glass, it does come with those pieces. And when you put the camera lens cover back on, here I'm cleaning it with a toothbrush, trying to clean up any broken glass or shards or anything like that. Now, unfortunately, one thing I had to go back and do was go back and clean the lens itself, because when I turned on the phone to check it, it was full of dirt and debris, but unfortunately I couldn't get that out, and I'll explain that more a little bit later. So it comes with the top bottom piece, comes with that little lens cover there, and that just kind of slips in there, and it has a little piece that holds it in. This was kind of difficult, so the little lens or the light diffuser for the flash was kind of difficult to get in there, so I had to get some tweezers to get that just right. There's a little notch at the top of it to keep it in place. But once you get that, it's fine. And then yeah, you can see I had a little struggle with it there, but not a big deal. So this top piece that comes with it, or with the pieces that come with it, it uses 3M tape, so nothing fancy, nothing special there. In a video I saw previously on YouTube, there was a separate piece that you put in there and put it on, but this one, it covers the entire piece of glass. I don't know if you can even see that, but it was also a little bit difficult to take off. And this is what happens when you cut your nails. So I got that off there, and just placing it on top, over the lens cover and over the light diffuser cover, and it slips in, and it goes on there perfectly. Now, while looking back at this, I should have taken some adhesive off of it, but it did come out fine, and it looks just fine. So I'll be showing that in a second there, and there you go. So unfortunately, even with new glass, it still has issues with the camera, and it appears to be the lens itself. So when you do go into the camera, you can see a lot of what looks like dirt and debris. It looks like a dead pixel, but it's not. But this is on the lens itself, so it's not on the new pieces that I just put in. I did try to clean it with a Q-tip, with some rubbing alcohol, or isopropyl alcohol, excuse me, and it did not make a difference. So unfortunately, it appears the lens itself needs to be replaced. But I mean, I'm not surprised, considering that was probably like that for quite a while. And if you looked at the lens, you can see how much dirt and debris is just on the lens part itself. So it's just been getting in there for a while, and that lens is just done for basically. But everything else seems to work just fine. So the flashlight still works, and the glass is brand new, so it's nice and new. So when I do replace the lens on this, that won't happen again. And anyway, yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave me a like, and if you want to see more like this, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.